Helping verbs. She is reading a book. They are playing soccer. I am going to the store. He was tired yesterday. We were at the party last night. You have finished your homework. Is she coming to the party tonight? They were playing soccer when it started raining. Have you finished your homework? I was reading a book when you called. We should leave early to avoid traffic. She has been working here for 3 years. We'll visit them next weekend. Are you planning to attend the meeting? He might bring a friend to the party. Had they seen the movie before? She could finish the project early if she starts now. They have been waiting for hours. Does he know the answer to the question? I ought to study for the test tomorrow. We were hoping for better weather. Shall we go for a walk? She could swim very well when she was younger. We have been waiting for hours.